Hey everybody, my name's Travis Nielsen. This is Dev Tips for Designers, a YouTube channel where we talk about web development and stuff. If this is your first time here, hey, welcome. Welcome to the party. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to talk about website stuff and making things. If this is not your first time, what's up, man? All right. This is the first video in a series I call CSS Basics. We're going to be talking about style sheets and how to make your website a beautiful joy to look at. So let's talk about CSS. What is it? Well, write this down. CSS is a style sheet language used to describe the presentational semantics of a document written in a markup language like HTML. So more specific to our case, CSS makes your website look like it does. But that may be an abstract concept. So let's take a look at some real-life examples. All right, homeboy, let's take a look at a few popular websites and then turn off their style sheets so we can get a better idea of what they actually do and why they're so important. I'm just going to reach up here and turn off the style sheets. Wow, look at that. All right, here's Apple.com, known for its fancy layouts. Reach up here, turn off the style sheets, and wow, look at that. It's just markup. Finally, I'm sure all you tweeners love this one, Facebook. Let's reach up here, turn the style sheets off, and it looks just like the others. See? You getting it? Yeah. Style sheets give the web just that, style. All right, let me break a little history off for you. You see, HTML was never intended to contain tags that would define the style of a document. It was always to describe the content of a document, just like we talked about in our HTML5 series. However, in the HTML 3.2 specification, some presentational tags were added. Things like center or font. Now, while it was really nice to have some control over the look of our websites, it was such a headache to make uniform changes even over a small website. Imagine manually selecting every link on a website and individually tweaking the color. To solve this problem, the W3C blessed us with CSS. In HTML4, all of the formatting could be removed from the HTML document and placed in a separate style document called CSS. External style sheets enable you to change the appearance and layout of every web page on a website just by editing one single file. Next week, we're going to look at the different ways that CSS can be written, and we're going to talk about the way it actually cascades and see that work. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, welcome to the section of the video I call leaving comments. It's really fun, but nobody does it, so I'm gonna read other channels' comments and answer them like they're just fine. Okay, that was a great entry. Here we go. This is from a video called CSS Beginners. Billy Scanlan asks, did you make this website or know the owner? Billy, I don't know what you're talking about. Just going to ask, what is the best way of showing photos on a website? Great question. That comes from Lifson. Lifson, the best way to show a photo on a website is to use an IMG tag in your HTML. Like we already discussed, weren't you watching? What's the matter with you? He also asks, where should I buy my domain name? Listen, buy your domain name on the internet. It's the best place to get them. Just looking for questions, people talking about their genitals. Jedi Pix X asks, where can I put align center in a link to a photo so that the link is centered on my site? Well, Jedi Pix X, don't do that. There's no such property as align equals center. You may be thinking of text dash align equals center. But that's not even CSS, is it? You don't equal anything in CSS. This is what you want, bro. Put that on the parent of the whatever you're centering. Here's one written in Russian. I don't know what that's about. And the last one from Burn One Sun. Anyone else want to play Counter-Strike Source? Yeah, I'll play. All right, that's it for today. I guess in all my videos now, I'm going to be answering questions from other people's videos because it seems like a lot of fun. Bye.